Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with verifying the system actually needs refrigerant. Run the AC for 5 minutes and measure vent temperature. Expect 40 degrees 50 degrees F if weak. Once done, confirm the correct refrigerant type for your expedition is R134A and check the compressor engages. Otherwise, don't add refrigerant. Put on gloves and safety glasses, then locate the low-side service port near the accumulator. Attach a tap or low-side hose snugly. Make sure the engine is idling and that you add refrigerant with control and patience. Open the tap and give short 3 5-second bursts while watching the low-side gauge. After each burst, close the valve and wait about 2 minutes for pressures and vent temperature to stabilize. Make sure the gauge stays roughly in the 25-45 psi band. This keeps the evaporator functioning properly. If the vent temperature drops, that's progress. If pressures climb quickly, stop adding. Remember that steady monitoring prevents overcharge and protects the compressor. You finish by closing the tap and removing the low-side hose, then immediately cap the service port. Run the AC for another 5 minutes and check vent temperature. Aim for roughly 35 degrees 40 degrees F at idle. Use soapy water on fittings to spot leaks and listen for abnormal compressor noises. If cooling didn't improve, the problem may be a leak, bad compressor, faulty condenser fan, or expansion device, so make sure to inspect those. Troubleshooting tip: if pressures are erratic, stop and test for leaks before adding more refrigerant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.